Welcome to Lily Brooke Early Steps TV. We explore different topics in each of our videos. First, we ask, what are the 6 different approaches in an effective pedagogy? Let's find out. But where do we start? Let's start by looking at what makes an effective pedagogy. Firstly, there are a range of approaches, and to have an effective pedagogy, it is suggested you use a mix of different approaches. Let's see what these approaches are. Number 1 of 6 approaches. This is called child-led learning. This is when children choose their own play, ideas, or interests. The adult can observe and follow the child's interests, choose to join in sensitively, and extend learning through play. This may involve watching a child building a tower with blocks. The practitioner may join in and say, "I wonder how we could make it taller without it falling." This encourages thinking, problem solving, and language. Number 2 of 6. This is adult-led learning. This is when the adult plans and directs an activity with a specific learning intention in mind. For example, running a small group phonics session where children practice letter sounds together. The adult leads the learning because some skills need clear teaching and modeling. Number 3 of 6 is play-based learning. Children will explore the sounds of the rain whilst jumping in puddles or mark-making using pens, pencils, or even their hands. They will explore activities, toys and marks. They might use their imagination, explore moving in different ways, and the best in my opinion is hands-on experiences such as sensory play. For example, children may be playing in a pretend cafe. They might write menus, count money, use calculators. Even if they don't fully know yet, they will be exploring what it does, taking turns, developing communication skills. Play is a very important pedagogy in the EYFS. Number 4 of 6 is direct teaching and modeling. Sometimes children need adults to introduce and demonstrate skills clearly, such as showing a child how to hold scissors safely or how to mix colors in painting. The adult models the skill first, then supports the child to try. Number 5 of 6 is scaffolding. This means giving children just enough support to help them succeed, then gradually reducing help as confidence grows. For example, a child struggles to count individual items alone, so the practitioner first helps by explaining what they will do to count and how they are going to do it, then model visually by pointing to each item. Then encouraging the child to predict, say the next step, the number in the sequence independently. In this video, a practitioner is scaffolding children's understanding of syllables by modeling how to clap the beats found in words and then encouraging children to identify the number of claps independently. Using picture cards of a burger, banana, and watermelon, the practitioner asked questions such as, "How many claps did we hear?" and "Can you clap the word yourself?" to gradually reduce support and promote independent learning. Number 6 of 6 is inquiry or discovery learning. Children investigate, experiment, and ask questions. For example, children explore what objects float or sink in water. The adult encourages thinking by asking, "What do you notice? Why do you think that happened?" Now it is time to review and remind ourselves of what combination of approaches make a good pedagogy. Can you remember them? Now it is time to pause the video and write down your list of 6. How did you do? Write in the comments of this video how many of the 6 approaches you remembered that support an effective pedagogy. On the screen I have listed them for you to pause and review. Now we are going to look at what a pedagogy is. Pedagogy is the way teachers and practitioners support children's learning. It includes the methods, approaches, and interactions used to help children learn and develop. Pedagogy is not just what we teach, but how we teach it. Effective pedagogy is a balanced combination of child-led learning, adult-led learning, play-based learning, modeling, scaffolding, and inquiry-based learning that helps children learn, develop, and become independent learners. Pedagogy is the overall approach, beliefs, and methods that guide how we teach and support learning. It includes the interactions, experiences, environments, and teaching strategies we use to help children learn and develop. A useful formula for explaining pedagogy. When describing a pedagogy, include What you believe about how children learn. The approaches you use. Why you use them. For example, I believe children learn best through active engagement and positive relationships. Therefore, my pedagogy combines play-based learning, child-led exploration, adult-led teaching, modeling, scaffolding, and inquiry. I use these approaches to support children's independence, confidence, and overall development. Most importantly, remember to give your own examples from practice. Please let us know your thoughts on this video and if you found it helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know anything you would like us to make a video on next.